live. Yo, basazeko kiro balamusiza mwena mikono gyange gye muli muzuke mbazukuse kano nange kanjucha. Okay. Aha. Kwemuli katika yagadde mbakube mukalo kation abulire wakaita awulidde tegezo omulala njagala kasharinga kabasharingire tukalonkinga ekiro mutumbi leero, you know, to what, how many views? Wow, but mwere njagala kabakubemu ate nkabasindikira wano live mikwano gyange mwena sose kasindikira Nobiani Edi Mutwe na mwena abe nkasindikira nawe mukongereyo. Aha, a 1 a 2, let's go.
Now this one is not going to play on your radio or your TV, but you can share.
Manyika ntebagenda kakuba ku radio ba ku TV naye mukawulire.
Now this one is not going to play on your radio or your TV, but you can share it and spread the vibe.
Kapuli mukalikacha
wenjogera ntona yogera ndoza katongira binsonga sakali keko nesimanyo batugongere sipidi yeyo nesimanyo batujongere sakali keko nesimanyo batugongere amanyi keko nesimanyo batugongere lwakika omukulu talabe biri mu ggwanga okutucyankalanya lwakika omukulu takolanga
mwena mikono gyange ya yefe tusobola okwekommunicatingira nga fe tukigeze kumulundi guno badde nsaba kana kayimba tukaspreading. Let us spread this song far and wide. Gwe kakutuukako nawe kongereyo ewalala newalala pozi nekirala mikwano gyaffe mwena nga lumbuye mukyusemu audio mufune audio mutuufu. Labiko abalina audio atali perfect mufune omutuufu ongereyo omuzannyo naki
nesimanyo batugongere amanyi geko nesimanyo batugongere.
Pull up and come back again. This is a new tune. Kano mbabuza nti kasukali keko oba tukongelemu, kavolume keko oba tukongelemu, amanyi geko oba tukongelemu. Start it again.
Now
dance.
Now this one is not going to play on your radio or your TV, but you can share it and spread the vibe. Now this one is not going to play on your radio or your TV, but you can share it and spread the vibe.
Bakusindikirako messages nyingi.
Banange mbatumide mwena so many messages. Kumanyi nti no esimu ewedeko battery. Sisobola genda maaso nga mbazanyira. Let us share it far and wide. Peace out. Yeah, musonyi battery ewedeko. No, now you can turn on power bank. Let me put on a power bank.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Wow. Yeah, mbabuzaako mwenna mikwano gyange abali mu diaspora abatunula kati essaawa zino ez'ekiro. It's nice to catch a vibe, an informal vibe. Wow, 3,000 views already. What can I say? Cheers, friends. Mbatumirako mwenna abali out olunaku lwaleero, mwenna ababaddeyo ku One Love Beach olunaku lwaleero. Njagala okutumirako producer Dan Magic, njagala okutumirako mikwano gyaffe bonna. Wow. Ananyonja, Stella, Nuts, Zizinga, mwena mbatumide. Babi jango kozeko. No. Jango nawe.
Hey. Naye tubalamusiza. Mwebaka kodi.
Sawa siza kwebaka nave tunobalaga sebo ntubeera nga tuzikwata. Yeah, it is nice chilling with you guys. Banange mbadde njagala babi ngetinze, excited njagala sharing ne bafanzi baffe. Akayimba kaffe kana akapya ke bayita Kasukaalir ko batubongelemu. Yeah, Nubianly, big up yourself, comrade Tony Oz, and all the producer boy them.
Kadia.
Yeah.
Abalaba abantu balina amanya Grace, Hassan Chirumira.
And Amanda Kubu IGP. Yeah. Wempologoma. Ochimanyi DJ Fatoye wempologoma.
Longosaako ku kagonde kano ka kamera abantu bakulaye bulungi.
Kati ngenda kuddamu mbakube tune eno bupya. Okay? Are you ready?
Soko babuzeka ababulaye okkonga bwenka kuteekera.
Asagala nkwatira ku tune babi.
Bluetooth connected.
Yeah, reconnected. 1, 2, 3. Listen to that.
Now this one is not going to play on your radio or your TV, but you can share it and spread the vibe.
Esimu anya kubira.
Joel yakubira. Yo. Okay, let me pick Joel. Yo, Jess. Ochimanyi ti onkubidde nga ndi live ku Facebook. Yeah, kakati kankuteekeko loud obuze ku bafani baffe ne ku mikwano gyaffe. Yeah, I'm live on my page. Okay, yo, friends, talk to Joel. Say hi to them.
This is Joel Senyoni, Batman from Kisasi.
You're crazy, Joel. Okay, listen, yeah.
It's good to be live here.
Yeah. Yeah, we mix it up, man, because it's friends all over the world.
Bana, it's nice to hear from all the friends out there, guys.
Yeah,
Thank you for being a part of the cause from wherever you are.
Yeah.
Sometimes I get the people who are out of Uganda are a lot more engrossed and sold out to this cause. They're a big part of it. So thank you for being a part of the cause. You guys are the wind beneath our wings.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm here going crazy with the Bobi Wine fans online, and I'm sampling them a new tune.
Can you tune Gauli de Mwana ka volume
Keko, chokamba tsiko atako.
Neda Kasukaalir keko kenyini kanoze.
Cheers. All right, my brother Joey. Let's talk later. Sure. Gambo Deco Live. All right, my brother. Respect. Yeah.
All right.
Cheers. Yeah.
Take a flight.
All right. Kati kan take a flight mode. Bakubire kuli omuziki gwe bayogerako babi.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Oh, I will take a flight mode ne Bluetooth overo jijeko babi.
Kadi gezaako playing atulabe.
Ochitegeera. Overo jijeko. Let's go back now. Bluetooth connected, yeah.
One last time.
Bluetooth connected.
Boom. Kako ka volume.
Now this one is not going to play on your radio or your TV, but you can share it and spread the vibe.
Kajeko babi ego byonona sipidi yeyo nesimanyo batujongere sukai gego nesimanyo batujongere amanyi gego nesimanyo batujongere lwakigalo omukulu talaba ebiri mu ggwanga okutucyankalanya lwakigalo omukulu takolanga abaana abatentebe mu ddembe oyo nze mumanye tunula omukulu atidde agenda eyali yazala wabuyo mpolampola nga tandise okuyeba agoge manyi g'abantu gwali eyo yongeza omuliro olaba nabali tebakkiriza bamala nabo ne bakkiriza kakati ow'ekikofiira atyako akakofiira balikeko nze simanyi oba tukongeremu simanyi oba tukongeremu sukali geko simanyi oba tukongeremu amanyi geko simanyi oba tukongeremu ekimala kakati tugere ku nsonga omubanda omulabi ekimala kakati kalabe kyakulanye abaana bazibodaboda sipidi etya abaana bewakisenga sukali ali atya abazi yunivasite n'abaana baketo ab'ekyatondo nabo mu byalo ab'omonda yasikora munyweze ekintu abakyala kiri kitya kasukali tukongelemu sukali geko nesimanyi oba tukongelemu sipindi yeyo nesimanyi oba tujongelemu sukali geko nesimanyi oba tukongelemu amanyi geko nesimanyi oba tukongelemu sukali geko oba tukongelemu sukali geko oba tukongelemu. Yeah, man, bring it close, yeah, baby jango simula bantu nange. Okay, friends, nobody kubera konange. Come here, baby, come here.
Okay, change the camera like this, like that. Yeah, like that.
Yeah. All right, friends, thank you for being with us tonight. Those few minutes were so nice. Peace out.
Good
from
night,
Bobby and
good
me.
day, good morning.
Yeah. Cheers.
Blessings.